I am putting in 120 grams of starter. I fed this overnight. And we have 300 grams of water. Mix it through to break up the sourdough. This is a very easy recipe. I know a lot of us get confused with percentages and hydration and all that. This is very simple. You don't need to worry about all of that. Adding 20 grams of olive oil. If you don't have a scale, take the measurements in grams and convert it on Google. Google will convert it for you. 500 grams of flour in there. I'm mixing my flour. I'm putting in a little bit of wheat, whole wheat flour, and bread flour is what I'm using. You can use any combination you want. You can do just bread flour. You can do just whole wheat. You can do AP, all purpose. There's no ratios. Just combine your flours or use the same flour till you hit 500. Just be a little easy on the wheat flour because it consumes a lot of water. So if you find that your dough is a little stiff, it's because you have too much wheat. You can always fix that by adding more water. About 5 grams of salt. And let's go mix it up. Always have a bowl of water to your side. It helps you. If your hands get sticky, you just dip your fingers into the water and you continue. So basically we're mixing with our fingers. You can mix with anything you want, a machine, anything. But it's good to have a feeling for the dough. It's a good practice because you end up knowing how the dough feels, what levels and all of that good stuff. Now when you're doing same day sourdough breads, you increase your sourdough starter, okay, because you're trying to do it the same day, so you need it to rise at a faster rate. So you're not going to put it in the fridge overnight, so you have to increase your sourdough starter. It's still going to ferment, it's still going to taste good. All right, all mixed up. And we are going to cover this and we'll be back in an hour. I already did the first hour, so this is 45 minutes after the first hour. Look at that stretch. Just stretch it and bring it back down. Or as they say, stretch and fold. When it's not stretching anymore, just take it and go around. All right, we're going to flip it over. And we are going to let it rest for another 45. Here we are for the last 45. After this, stretch and fold. You let it bulk for 2 hours. Keep it nice and simple. You're going to have nice bread ready for dinner for tomorrow morning's lunchtime. And you keep turning it, turning. I'm gonna put a little oil at the bottom so it doesn't stick after it bulks. Just a tiny bit, not too much. That's good right there. Then you're gonna take that. So we leave this for 2 hours. 2 hours, look at that. Put a little flour on your surface, not too much. Then you flip this over. There we are. Put the pan you're going to be baking in front of you to help you shape. And you just shape it to fit the size of your pan. The first set, flip it over. You can shape it any way you want, but shape it so it fits your pan. The flour helps you so your hands don't get sticky. You just put a little bit of flour on there, not a lot. Oops. And as usual, don't forget to pinch, 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 and pinch. You can see that my bread is shorter than my pan. Don't worry about it. It's going to spread while it's rising. Just lay it in there. And that's it. And we are going to just put a little bit of flour on top. This helps it from sticking to your cover. So your dough does not stick to your cover. And we'll let it rise one more time. Now the second rise is going to be faster, so keep an eye on it. And just let it rise. And it is ready to go into the oven. This roast for an hour and a half. You can bake it with the steam. If you have another baking pan like this, you can just cover it and put it in the oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Take this off and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. Set the oven at 450. And there you have it. Beautiful loaf, same day sourdough, ready to dig in. You hear that crunch? Oh, it's hot. Yes, that's a good crunch right there. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Until next time, bon appetit.